Hi y'all, back again for the restoration of our 1965 Clark Cortez, and we decided we would stay inside and work on the interior.
Yep, today we aim to remove the final few parts of the plumbing, the electrical and the gas system.
Oh, there be love, love, love. Wherever you go, 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 there be love.
Hi y'all, I'm Elle.
Hey yo, I'm Andy.
And we are working on the inside of our 1965 Clark Cortez motorhome today. So what are we doing, And?
So today we are removing the last few bits of the interior.
Okay.
That includes, we have our old propane heater system, our hot water tank, the remaining parts of the electrical system, and finally the water pump that's down on the floor.
Okay. And we are hoping to do this because, of course, we have that subscriber challenge out, which is if we get 500 subscribers, they're going to challenge us to sleep in it when it looks like this.
Yeah, I don't want to sleep in it when it's like this. A big cold metal can right now and I'm not cool with that.
Yeah, we're obviously racing against them because past this we'll just be scraping and priming and working more on the inside.
Yep.
So if you are interested in that subscriber challenge, check out the video. It's up until the last day of April, so we still have some time. But you ready to work on this, Andrew?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
You start with this water pump, start disconnecting the hoses and then disconnect it from the floor. I'm going to start on the heater.
Okay.
We've just taken out the furnace and it's highlighted one of the main reasons why we're going to all this work of gutting the interior. A lot of people are a bit funny about pulling apart a vintage vehicle, but this right here explains why. This is the gas feed line, and as you can see it's all frayed and damaged, potentially split. But years of just rubbing up against this wood and the vibrations have worn it away. Could have potentially killed us in our sleep. What is this connected to?
I was wondering, what is this connected to?
Woo! Look at it go.
Here you go.
Got him.
Roar!
This is a beast.
Yeah.
Should we put him outside?
So are you. I hate sawing.
Well, you gave up this job. Someone can blame itself. Sorry, not sorry. The best way to saw, I find, is just to like go insane on it.
Pause. You're gonna cut your finger off. Let's try it again.
Please, I've been sewing since before you were off.
Yeah.
Oh good lord, look at that wiring. This is our old air conditioning unit, obviously without its cover on. Take a look at this wiring, this is an absolute beauty. This wire here doesn't even have a cover. Oh, well, that's now apart. This wire doesn't connect to anything. These are like screwed together with these weird, terrible things. And just look at the general state of it. Like, it's so unorganized, so poorly done. What's this one cable holding this up at the moment? Because it's clearly a strong bit. It's here.
Oh my gosh, how much do you think this weighs?
Like £20, £30.
Okay, you take it.
It's more like 5.
Okay.
I'll get it though. Messy.
Our strangest find today is that we do in fact have a double floor. So we have what we're gonna call an upper and a lower. And then the unfortunate news is that in between that, there's insulation and who knows what else inside of it. I mean, looking, there's definitely dirt, bits of wood, just lots of, what, disgust?
It's probably dead mice.
Yeah, we have no idea what's under this floor. And then even stranger, it's not just a couple, like a little bit of space. It's a good amount of space that we're missing that's below us. And so I don't know how well you'll be able to see it, but so there's one of the holes. And you can maybe tell how much space there is. And we have no clue what's under this empty void of a space below us. So we're gonna maybe look at possibly pulling this floor, at least to remove the insulation below us, because we have no idea the condition, what's inside. And so that'll be a job for another day too.
Yep, certainly will.
And look at this.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. So, look, and
Wow.
it's another one.
Let me guess.
Oh my gosh, and another one. So it's about, what, half a foot apart, it seems, throughout the entire Cortez.
I don't know, I haven't found any yet on this side.
Really? Yeah, look.
There's one.
And then,
Maybe it's time to get this
cork flooring up.
cork flooring up.
So maybe that'll be what we do next.
Maybe.
All in all, we were out here for about 3 hours, and I thought we did a great job.
I think we did a good job too. We got everything accomplished that we set out to today, all excluding one gas line which runs underneath the outside of the motorhome. To be honest, I didn't want to get on my bike and go underneath the motorhome
Okay.
today, so that's for next time.
Also, next time, we have a video coming up about the floor.
So the floor, we have a twin layered floor with some insulation in it in some places. We don't really understand it, so we're going to do a bit of digging and probing, see what we can find out, potentially improve upon.
Absolutely. If we even just get a little bit of extra space, that would be
awesome.
good.
Yeah.
And then another video too, the ceilings, the walls. I'm excited about this one.
Yeah, so we want to get all the old underseal off the walls and begin treating and removing any rust that's in there before we reseal them out.
Yes, and the space. Andrew,
space.
look at how much space we have.
We have space.
Tons of
Yeah,
space.
I can actually see a bed in here now, which is like amazing.
Yes.
Yeah, cannot believe that. So as always, guys, we really hope you like this video. And if you enjoy our content, please subscribe to our channel. It would really help us grow and we'd really appreciate it.
Also, leave us a comment and let us know what projects you're interested in. Mainly if you're restoring a vehicle too. Please let us know because we would love to connect with you.
Indeed. Bye, guys.
Bye, y'all.
It was fun, fun, fun. When we were laughing, it was fun, fun, fun. Oh, it was fun.
come here.
Okay, I don't want to. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
We have so much room. Like, look at how much room, man.
I mean, I'm not quite that excited, but there is a considerable amount of room.
I felt
Especially
it. I
here.
felt it in my body.
Could you
That
feel-
energy.
A bit. I can feel a bit. I know, but don't go diving around.
Okay, I will.
What do I say? Really hope you like the
we have room
video.
for a bed in here.
Yep.
Just overall, we really hope you like the video.
Yeah, really. Yeah, we hope you like the video. Yeah.
Video
Okay.
and subscribe because it'll help our channel.
And subscribe, and then you say about
The comments.
projects, comment, and then I say bye.
Yep.
Let's do this. We've got the gas line under the floor.
That's
Was that
fine.
the same video? Oh my god, it's so much to remember.
Okay, ready?
Oh,